up, y'all? Justzay here, back on the pickup. Today we got a special unboxing for you guys. Today we're boxing a pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas. This is actually something brand new. These are called the FLOWboost. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'll let you guys know in the beginning, I am disappointed with these shoes. I'll tell you why. So you guys stay tuned, see what we got. Alright, so right off the bat, as soon as you open the box, the first thing you notice about this shoe is you're gonna notice the gum bottom, which stands out. These of course are a cloud white, so anytime you have a white shoe and you have gum bottoms, you have my attention. The reason I like the gum bottoms on these because it resembles the logo of the Adidas, which is the 3 stripes. There's a good amount of tread on these as well. So this shoe is described by Adidas as a sporty, lightweight, casual shoe made in part with recycled materials, which of course is very fitting description of this shoe, because the upper part of the shoe, you can kind of see the elements of the synthetic mesh, which is like a textile material, but it's still very breathable. And on the bottom half, you're gonna have the tech of the shoe, which is the light boost, what they went with. All right, so I want you guys to stick with me on this. Just be open. If you look at the shoe from this side, right, just this side, and then you just happen to pull out a pair of Yeezys like these, you kind of see a little bit of inspiration based on how they have the mesh set up, just a little bit. And of course the holes are a lot larger, but I don't know, man. It could be a stretch, but it could be just me. But I kind of see it just a little bit. Maybe I'm forcing it. But these shoes were a sleeper. Maybe that's what it is. These were a sleeper, and I wish people really appreciate these a lot more, but they didn't. So the reason I'm pulling this out is because if you look right here, you see the boost, and you can feel this soft texture right here. Now, on this shoe, you pull the sole out. Ain't that a shame? You can't, the boost is not exposed. And it just takes away from the shoe, in my opinion. It just takes away from it. But nonetheless, this shoe, the colorway is gonna be cloud white. So you're gonna get cloud white on the stripes, you're gonna get cloud white on the mesh, and then gray one right here in the back. Now you get Adidas branding right here, you get Adidas branding right here with the logo. You flip it over to the sole, you're gonna get Adidas branding, boost, Adidas branding, boost. Now this has a good amount of traction. You guys see that? Can I focus in just a little bit more? Yeah. Good amount of traction. Who is this shoe for? Again, this is just a shoe that you're gonna wear where you're just casually going out. I wouldn't run in these. You could work out in these. To give you an idea, if you've never had a pair of light boosts before, it's gonna feel like the styrofoam that you get in the package. That's exactly what this feels like in the beginning. Over time, it does get a little bit more responsive, but do not expect this to feel like a pair of Pure Boosts. Do not expect this to feel like a pair of NMDs. Do not expect this to feel like a pair of XPLRs or a pair of Yeezy Boost. Actually, you know what? These probably feel like the 700s. The Yeezy 700, just a little bit stiffer. Now, the plus side is that it will last longer because it's not as soft. So that's what the shoe has going for it. But that's just about it, man. I'm really disappointed with this shoe. Would I buy this again? It's $110. No. If it drops down to $60, maybe $70, maybe, I probably would buy these then. But outside of that, I'm gonna wear these for another week or so and see how it goes. But most likely, I'll probably be returning these. All right, so can you slip these bad boys on with no hands? Yes. Yes, you can. Now, these are, of course, a 10.5. I'm a 10.5. I have plenty of space. My foot's like right here. So you guys what I mean. I got plenty of space. So you could definitely go your true size. Now, can you slip these off with no hands? Yes, no problem. Now, shameless plug. One of the things that you can do to make this shoe feel better is get you a pair of these. Like I showed you guys in the last video. I'm gonna show you why. Look at this. You see that? Now look at this. You see there's not as much cushion on this as it is this. And this mimics the boost, which gives it that responsiveness. Now, does this save the shoe? No. But it does put it in a better place. And for the price, I mean, you can't complain. So consider getting something like this if you're going to go with these.
Whoa.